to the beautiful island of Gulhi.
Located in Capo, a just 25-minute speedboat ride from Male. It is a tiny but super charming island.
Yes, charming is, I would say, is an understatement.
Hey.
Here you have the guys. They have all the water sports, the jet skis, the fun tubes, the banana. You did the banana, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did the banana ride. That was crazy. You guys saw dolphins.
That was the best treat ever.
And how much was it?
It was just $10. I mean, it's you have to have minimum
four
people, right?
Minimum four, or
yeah, minimum 4.
Okay.
So this
That's
way
like
it
$5
goes
per person, right? $10 per person.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, but yeah, on the way I was thinking to myself, I wonder if we can see dolphins. Like that would be epic. And
sure enough.
yep, there they were.
So Gulhi Island is very unique. For those of you who don't know, Gulhi Island is literally a stone throw away from the most popular local island in the Maldives, which is, you guessed it, Mafushi. Yes, they're so close to each other, and you may not know that you can come here for a day trip. And we did that because if you know, the beach, the Bikini beach in Mafushi is not the best. We say it all the time. It is not the best beach. You really don't see a lot of people hanging out on that beach. It's a lot of rocks. The water's not good. But here, you can come here and spend the day here and look at this beach.
It's beautiful. But the only thing, you have to pay for your chairs and umbrellas. $15.
Yeah, this island does have a little, and what you didn't like also, right, is that you have to pay for, like, there's coconuts here. They sell coconut on the island.
Yeah, very expensive.
And it's very expensive.
I think $7 per coconut.
Yeah, if you've been to Gulhi recently, let us know in the comment. If you happen to buy a coconut from these guys here on this island, let us know how much they charge you. They charged just $7 when we were here. Now, a lot of these people that you saw that we just passed, they're actually from probably neighboring islands.
After island hopping in the Maldives for 6 months, we have visited over 30 local islands and have created over 100 YouTube videos. We know that's a lot to sift through, so we built one complete Maldives travel guide: how to choose the right local island, what to know about private island resorts, how to book affordable stays, and our exclusive hotel discounts, all in one place. Download it now, link below. This Bikini beach is really small, however, but the island itself is small as well. But because there are always tour groups and people visiting from Mafushi, there is always quite a lot of people on this beach. Right now it's very quiet because we actually asked the beach boys to turn off the music, but they have huge speakers right on the beach, and usually they play music throughout the entire day, and you can actually request your music too.
Yeah, they're really cool. They play all different types of music. They have Indian music and hip hop and dance music. Yeah, it's
people
crazy.
dancing, and they also, remember, they have karaoke too.
They do have karaoke. These boys are a little wild on this island.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we're now nearing the tip of the island. We've only been walking a little over, probably over 3 minutes, and we just passed the boatyard on the left-hand side, and we're now walking towards the very tip of the island. Behind this house on the left, or this structure on the left, there's really nothing there, just some abandoned boats and boats that are being, I guess, serviced or what have you. So that's pretty much it for this beach. But we have more to tell you about this island. So once we get to the end, the tip of this island, we'll just kind of show you what that looks like, and then we'll double back around and come back up.
Yeah, but if the island itself is still have a lot of pros, and we have created a Gulhi Island travel guide where not only you can see the actual video tours of all the hotels and different room types on the island, but also we included all the perks that each individual hotel includes. This way you'll know if you can get free fins, you know if you can get free chairs and umbrellas, because even though there are some chairs and umbrellas that you have to pay the beach boys, but some hotels actually bring you the chairs and umbrellas and set it up for you for free.
So here we are at the tip of the island, as you can see on the other side there. just some abandoned boats and boats being fixed. And now we're just going to double back around and you'll now see the island from another perspective. And also, guys, towards the ending of this video, we are going to be setting the drone up and you're going to see what it looks like from the air. But I really love Gulhi Island. Like we mentioned before at the beginning of this video, it's a very charming island. The first time, actually, this is our third time in Gulhi? Yeah, this is our third time in Gulhi Island, and we really enjoy it. Now, the last time we were here, there was a hotel being built right at the harbor. I think it's called Arrival, right? Yeah, the hotel's called the Arrival. Brand new hotel. Again, if you happen to have been in Gulhi Island recently, let us know if you stayed there, if you see it. But it's a really beautiful hotel, and when we do go back to Gulhi, we'll probably be staying there just because it's a really nice hotel.
Yeah, and what's really cool about Gulhi Island, it has really cool budget gems, like you could say literally for $40 a night. And in our travel guide, we have complete budget travel guide, we actually have specific discounts for different islands, and in our Gulhi travel guide as well, where you can access the lowest rates for hotels on Gulhi Island and get all the information for transfers and everything you need to know as well. So this island has really nice combination of affordable luxury stays like Airalo, Arrival, Aini Beach is really nice too, and budget stays.
One thing we did notice about Gulhi, which is kind of unfortunate, is that out in the ocean they are building a man-made island. So when you look out, it's not going to be all just ocean. You're going to see another neighboring island popping up.
Yeah, it's going to be a miniature Male. If you didn't know, Maldives do create islands, man-made islands. And because Male and Hulu Male are developing so fast, there is not enough space for all the people. So that's why they're creating another island nearby, so people can live there, and they will have more probably tall buildings as well.
So they are dredging out there, as you can see to the left. That sandbar out there, they're dredging. So a lot of these people that you do see here, again, they come, some of them are staying on the island, of course, but a lot of them come on the ferry and they stay on the beach for the day, and then they go back to Mafushi in the evening time.
Yeah, and even if you want to stay in Mafushi, we also have Mafushi travel guide where we tell you how to get to Gulhi Island for under $2.
Crazy. Once we found that out, we were like, oh man, we definitely have to put this in the
Remember,
travel
we
guide.
met a family of 4 and they spent $80 for their trip to Gulhi Island from Mafushi.
Yeah, we were like, wait, how is that even possible? We spent like under $2. Like, again, information is power. I say it all the time. So this is the type of information we put inside of our travel guides. It's information. Literally, when we tell you you're going to save hundreds of dollars, you literally will.
Yeah, not only on hotel and transfers.
Mm-hmm. So they have the jet skis out.
They have pretty much all the water sports, and now they actually have the Lamborghini jet skis that are so popular in Mafushi. Now they have them here in Gulhi Island as well. It's so cool. A lot of fun.
The water does actually slope gradually here, but you notice the woman just getting out the water. There's a slight little dip, and you can see the water churning right at that point. There's a slight dip in the water. It drops about maybe a foot, but then from there, it's literally like waist deep.
Yeah, but it also depends on the current. So today is a little bit, current is a little cooler.
Right. Because normally this water is super calm.
And the tide is low too,
Right.
see? There are swings out in water where everyone takes their pictures.
There's really good restaurants to eat on this island as well. We have all that information in the travel guide. So if you do come to this island from Mafushi and you're gonna spend the whole day here, we've included the really good restaurants on this island where you'll be able to have lunch before heading back to Mafushi.
So this series are all about bikini beaches in the Maldives. Shukriya so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Off we go with the drone.